So consilience is the idea that disciplines are not developed in a vacuum, but rather that they make sense within each other, right? Like even though each one of these disciplines is looking at one level of reality, you can imagine each one of these disciplines being to some extent independent, but also to some extent interconnected with the level above and the level below in this hierarchical existence in which we live, right? One of the things that we have in complexity is that a lot of systems out there are hierarchical, right? When all of these pieces are made out of other pieces. So you can think of yourself as an individual, but also you can think of yourself if you're in a romantic relationship. You can think of your partner as another individual, and maybe at some point you and your partner want a divorce, but your holy matrimony says that you can't, right? Like somehow that relationship takes up potentially agency of its own. So maybe that's another level of reality that we need to consider, right? And so you're going to have potentially a social psychologist looking at inside of you and how many different biases and instincts inside of you are going to pull you in one direction or another. An economist looking at you as a unit. A sociologist thinking about you as part of a group that's following a trend. A political scientist thinking about you as, like one of these many different slices of the electorate that we can do, and you're part of that. And all of these things ultimately have to come down to one single reality that we all live in. So the idea of consilience is that at some point or another, disciplines should exist in a taxonomy of science in which all of these things, even though they have particular views on a particular layer of reality, they're all making sense with each other.